Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make text opacity in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first open your Adobe Express. In this video I will show make text opacity. Now firstly select from add your text. Now type your text. Now you can see. Now resize your text. Now select from NSS color. This text in opacity. Now select from text. Now we can say then click for opacity option. Now opacity, high and slow. Now choose. Now I will choose from 30%. That's it. Now you can see make text opacity in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.